Hi everyone. So today we will learn how to disable the auto update in VS Code editor. To disable the auto update, you have to go to this file menu, go to preferences, then click on settings. In the search bar, type update mode. So you will get this setting. You can see currently it is set to default. Simply click here and you will get a bunch of options. The first one is none. That means you don't want any update. The second is manual. That means you will manually update the VS Code editor. The third one is start. That means on startup, it will check for update and update automatically. The last one is default, and it will update your entire Visual Studio Code whenever the update is available. So because we don't want to update it automatically, we'll go with the none option. But depending upon your requirement, you can pick any option of your choice. So once you select an option, you have to restart. Simply click on the restart button and we are done. So I hope you understood how to disable the auto update in VS Code editor. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.